Hello, today I will introduce our Grout marker to you. Apart from the bullet nib with the pen, we can offer chisel nib for changing. It is made with polyester nib, which is durable for writing. Let's introduce how to use. First, shake the marker before use. Facing up, press the tip 3 seconds to release gases. Facing down, press the tip for several times. When the ink flows, it can be used. The ink can be erased if not yet dried. The nib is durable for use and smooth for writing. The nib can be changed, suitable for many uses. It is good for cleaning. It can pass water resistance and stain resistance testing. We have certificate by government for quality assurance in China. If you are interested in this pen, please contact us by sinopath@cpod.com.hk or visit our website by www.cpod.com.hk.